All right, welcome back. So in this activity, we're looking at lesson 16, keyboard input for code.org. And we're actually trying to debug this program here because we're going to have a turtle that should be moving when, looks like anyways, when we press the up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow, we're going to have that turtle move in those respective directions. So if we look at this, this is what do I expect to happen. If we hit the left arrow, it should move to the left. What actually happens is nothing. I don't have an error at all, but it's not working. None of them are. Interesting. Okay, so let's take a look at these. Try to figure it out. Now it should have, I feel like, still run. So run the program and play, wait until you see the bug. Use the keys to find the bug. Well, mine is not experiencing a bug. Okay. So let's go ahead. I mean, I can already see as I'm looking through the code here that this one right here is not affecting the .x. Okay, so when we press the key down, nothing's really happening. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to change that. So it should be that if I press the up arrow, it's going to move, and down arrow should move. But when I press the left arrow, there is no turtle.x that's loaded in here. So let's get rid of this. And let's see if maybe that fixes it. So the turtle.x is going to be affected by going to the left. There we go. Interesting. So for when I tried it and it didn't work, I just didn't get anything to work. And that's very likely because it's in the loop and it just bugged out because it didn't have a .x in here. But that's really what we need, right? Without the .x here, oops. Without that, it doesn't know how to access this previous number to add a new number to it. So we just need to make sure that we have the .x in there. And then make sure that we have it as turtle. Okay? So that's really all this one is just debugging this. If yours does work, but it doesn't move to the left, then you just want to make sure that you go down here and change the left key. Okay? But once that's fixed, we're all good. All right. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck with your coding.